In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to compose a LinkedIn post through Hootsuite directly in Google Chrome. This process is straightforward, and by the end of it, you'll feel confident using Hootsuite to manage your LinkedIn communications effectively. Let's begin by logging into Hootsuite on your Chrome browser. If you don't already have a Hootsuite account, you'll need to create one, but for those who do, enter your credentials and hit log in. You'll soon find yourself on the Hootsuite dashboard, a powerful tool designed to help manage all your social media in one convenient place. Now that you're logged in, let's move on to composing your LinkedIn post. Navigate to the New Post button, usually found at the top of your dashboard. Go ahead and click on it, and this action will open a window where you can start creating your LinkedIn message. You'll see options to select which social media accounts to post to, and for this tutorial, ensure LinkedIn is highlighted as your intended platform. With LinkedIn selected, you can start crafting your post in the text box provided. Now, something really cool about using Hootsuite is its integration with LinkedIn's mention feature. To use this, type the @ symbol directly into your post. Immediately after it, begin typing the name of the person or company you wish to mention. As you type, Hootsuite will generate a list of suggestions based on what you've entered. Don't worry if you see a lot of suggestions. This happens when the name is quite common. Simply scroll through the options and select the correct profile from the list. This tagging feature ensures that the person or company you mentioned will be noticed in your post, increasing the chance of engagement and making your post more interactive. Now that you've successfully tagged the relevant profile, continue to flesh out your LinkedIn post. Consider what message you want to convey to your audience. Whether it's sharing exciting news, commenting on industry trends, or simply networking by engaging with other professionals, take your time to ensure the message aligns with your professional tone and purpose. Once you're satisfied with your post, it's decision time. Do you want to publish it immediately or schedule it for a later date and time? If you choose to publish, simply hit the Post Now button. If scheduling is your preference, find the scheduling options within the Hootsuite interface. Select your desired date and time and confirm the schedule. This feature is a game changer for managing your online presence efficiently, allowing you to reach your audience when they are most active. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to log into Hootsuite and compose a post for LinkedIn using Chrome. This method not only enhances your social media management skills, but also optimizes your professional interactions online. Thanks for watching, and happy posting!